Hey everyone, my name is Kelvin, welcome back to my channel. And kind of exciting news, my channel just reached 5,000 subscribers. So I kind of just want to make a quick video saying thank you for all the support. It really does give me a lot of motivation to keep going and put some more effort into this little hobby project channel thing that I've been doing for a while. I also need a new channel trailer, so I should probably do that too. So if you're new here, just a quick background, I'm a full stack developer with, I don't know, it's about 4 years of experience at the time of this recording. And this channel is mostly just me making video tutorials of whatever I'm interested in. I try not to be pigeonholed in anything too specific, so there's gonna be just a wide variety of web technologies. And I know some of you have mentioned that you want me to make a course on like Udemy or something, but I don't know, that kind of just doesn't feel right to me. So I'm just gonna keep making it everything free and not behind a paywall and just put it up on YouTube. If you do want to support me though, I created a little page on Buy Me a Coffee. So, you can buy me a coffee. I don't know, I think I like this better than Patreon or like a monthly subscription model just because of the whole paywall thing. Like, I don't want to hide something behind money. So it's completely optional if you want to do any of this stuff. I definitely should clean this up and add some stuff to it, but whatever. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't really know what else to say. Just, thank you once again and sticking around. And, but with that, I'll see you all next time.